A constitutional crisis began in Samoa on 22 May 2021 when Atua Malo Tuimalealiifano Faʻatuatua Sualauvi II issued a proclamation purporting to prevent the Legislative Assembly from meeting in the wake of the general election in April. Court rulings had upheld the election results, giving a parliamentary majority to the Faʻatuatua Atua Samoa Tasi party, led by Fiame Naomi Mataʻafa. On 24 May, a makeshift ceremony was held outside of Parliament to swear in Mataʻafa as Prime Minister. The election of 9 April 2021 resulted in a 25-25 tie between the ruling Human Rights Protection Party of Prime Minister Talipa Iono Sualauvi and the Faʻatuatua Atua Samoa Tasi of Fiame Naomi Mataʻafa, with the remaining seat held by the independent Tuimalealiifano Bonifacio. On 20 April 2021, the Samoan Electoral Commission declared the HRPP's Tuimalealiifano elected in an extra seat due to the requirement that a minimum of 10% of seats in parliament must be held by women, with Tuau being the female candidate who most narrowly missed being elected. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.